Hey, what's up guys, welcome back. Captain here, back with another video. So the new Red Magic smartphone, gaming smartphone, is here, and it's called a Red Magic 5S Dude, with improved cooling system, 144 Hz refresh rate, display, and Snapdragon 865. The Red Magic 5G released back in March, and now we have its successor, the Red Magic 5S, which bring in overhauled cooling system with a silver plated wiper chamber. The rest of the spec sheet as well as the phone design are quite similar to the outgoing Red Magic 5G down to the dimensions. The big new addition to the Red Magic 5S is the silver plated cooling pad, stylized as ice age. It should deliver better result than the conventional copper heat pipes in most smartphones, resulting in lower throttling. The phone also retains a 15,000 RPM spinning fan from its predecessor, which has also helped it cool down while charging it at its peak 55-volt speed. Up front, we have 6.65-inch FHD plus AMOLED display with a minimal top and bottom bezels. The refresh rate is 144 Hz and comes alongside 240 Hz touch sampling. The phone also sports a capacitive touch trigger which have a even higher 320 Hz touch rate for optimal performance in competitive gaming. The back features 64 megapixel Sony IMX686 primary camera as well 8 megapixel ultra wide snapper and 2 megapixel macro shooter. As the case with the most gaming smartphone, RGB lighting is also present. Like its predecessor, the Red Magic 5S, powered by the Snapdragon 865 chipset, paired with a 16GB DDR5 RAM and 256GB UFS 3.1 storage. It boot Red Magic OS on top of the Android 10 and come with the same 4500 mAh battery with a 55-volt charging. So the price of the Nubia Red Magic 5Z as will come in a dual tone blue and red colorway as well as a silver. The base 8GB and 128GB storage price is 3,799 yuan, equal $542, with the pre-sales in China starting from yesterday, 28 July. I think 2 days ago. There also a 12GB and a 256GB of storage version from Chinese yuan 4,399 yuan, equals $628, as well as top of the line 16GB, 256GB of storage and 16GB of RAM, Chinese yuan 4,999 yuan, equals $715. Official sales in China start on August 1st, while globally availability will follow in September. So this is the new Red Magic 5S smartphone, and let me know in the comment section, are you like this new smartphone from Red Magic? And make sure to like this video, subscribe my channel for more tech videos. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.